Okay, y'all, let's get straight into it. We're going to be priming our eyelids with the Black Radiance concealer stick. This is just going to give our eyeshadows something to adhere to and make sure they stay all day. Then we are going to blend that concealer stick out, you guys. And of course, you know we can't forget the lower lash line because we will be adding color down there as well. And then going back in and doing some more blending. Next, y'all, I am going to be taking the Morphe Always Golden palette, and I'm going to be taking the color Bruise, which is basically a chocolatey brown color, and I am going to be placing this all over my eyelid. While I'm placing this all over my eyelid, I am also going to be blending it out into the crease up towards the brow bone, really blowing it out and making sure that it is seamless. There are no harsh lines at all. Blend, baby, blend, baby, blend. Next, y'all, I'm going to be doing a little winged action, and this is my LA Colors eye marker liquid liner. I'm just going to give myself a wing, baby. A nasty old wing. And now, you guys, I am taking these Kiss/Couture eyelashes, y'all. I got these on sale when ULTA was having that 40% off sale on all their Kiss products. And y'all, I must say that these lashes are giving my beauty supply store lashes a run for their money, because y'all, look at that. Just look at those lashes. Y'all, I love me a good big pair of lashes. Yes, honey, yes. Now, you guys, I am going to be lining my waterline with the LA Colors gel eyeliner in black. Now that the eyes are done, y'all, it is time to get into this face, and I am priming with this Makeup Revolution Mattifying Face Primer. Y'all, I've been loving this. I've been using it for the past all of the videos I've uploaded lately. And next, y'all, I have been neglecting my Juvia's Place, so I am going in with my Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer, and I am going to start off by placing that under my eyes, y'all. I am doing the one layer technique still loving it, still doing it. I'm not sure if I'm ever gonna go back to the old way of doing my foundation, to be completely honest, y'all. And I'm just gonna blend that concealer in now, you guys. And as you guys know, while I am filming this tutorial, I'm talking to my good friend Jamie. Hey girl! I know she be watching my videos, and I just want to shout her out and thank her for the support. But yeah, we was on FaceTime per usual, and she was talking to me while I was doing my makeup. I am going to carve out these cheeks. And I'm taking the black Opal stick foundation, and I am going to be placing that on my cheekbones just to go ahead and carve them out and give me that look. If y'all know what that means, then yeah, give me that snatched look. Give my cheekbones that snatch, just came back from the plastic surgeon look. Well, not really, but you get what I'm saying. Y'all know the vibe. And next, you guys, I am using my Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation. Just like the concealer, I have not used this in a minute. I've been neglecting her, and I just want to go ahead and pull her out, start using her again. But I am placing this foundation all over the places where I did not put the contour or the concealer. And I'm also going to blend it in a little bit with the concealer just to create a seamless transition. Now y'all, I am going in and I am taking the Crayon Case Chalk Dust Setting Powder, and I am setting in all the spots that I highlighted under my eyes and down the bridge of my nose. And now I am going in and I am setting my entire face with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder. Y'all, I am almost about to hit pan on this powder. I need to go get another one because I've been setting my makeup with this powder for the longest, y'all. So I definitely need to get another one. And y'all, this is a little trick that I'm doing because I want to brighten up that inner corner of my eye because I have not been sleeping like that, y'all. So I'm taking that setting powder and I'm just putting it in the inner corners. And of course, y'all, I got to bronze up this face slash contour it. Again, I have a rather round face, so I just want to go ahead and sculpt it out a little bit. Chisel them cheekbones. And not only do I want to take care of those cheekbones, but I want to bring back a little definition to my nose. So I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder, and I am just taking that powder and contouring out my nose. Gives it a really, really soft contour and just brings that shape back to it. Now y'all, that powder has had a little chance to set, so instead of dusting it away, I am just going to be pushing it in under my eyes just to go ahead and give me a little bit of more brightness, like I said. And y'all, look at that, under eyes look bright. I'm gonna start sleeping like I should one of these days. And now y'all, I am going back into that Morphe palette, and I am taking that bruise shade and I am placing it along my lower lash line and also smudging out that gel eyeliner pencil. And honey, you know a face wouldn't be complete without that glow. I'm taking the Crayon Case Honor Roll highlighter, and y'all, this has become my go-to highlighter. I reach for this the most, and I am placing that on the tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose, and also on the high points of my cheek, just to give me that glow, y'all. And now, per usual, y'all, I am bringing my moles that I have on my face back out, as well as I'm just creating some other moles on my face. I've been loving doing that lately. I just feel like that's a signature for me, the moles. And now y'all, this is a lip pencil from the Crayon Case. When she had the pack of lip pencils or colored pencils, this is the shade Bear. I know that she doesn't sell them like that anymore, and y'all, I'm so sad. But another shade that she has that's similar to this is Bribery. And now y'all, my favorite butter gloss of all time, the NYX Butter Gloss and Praline. I am taking that and I am blending that in with that lip pencil. And y'all, this is the finished look. Y'all, I threw on a wig, put on some jewelry, and yes, you guys, this is my everyday glam. When I don't want to get all dolled up, dressed up, doing any eyeshadow or anything, this is how I do my makeup. A nice, soft, smoky brown eye, and a nude lip. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.